So do you have more space? And I'll tell the audience what's in your baskets.
I hate eggplant.
Well, goodness gracious, the first ingredient is an eggplant. The next ingredient is fennel. The next ingredient is, I have some chips. They're cinnamon scented Rice Krispies. And wrapped up in foil paper is your protein. It is smoked turkey thigh. You ready, Chef Tom? You ready, Chef Donnie?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
I gotta scoot over.
Are you ready? Yeah. Alright, so alright, we have money on this thing right now. So we're gonna divide on the right down the line. Who are you think are going at the end?
I don't know.
You don't know? No man, come on man. If you bet money on lotto, you can't bet money on the people in up there, sir. Who you think are win? Todd. Alright, we said Todd over here, sir. Who else said Todd? Todd. Alright. Who else said that, eh? Alright. Chef Andre, Chef Max, you guys will be my judges today for the Celebrity Quickfire Challenge. I want you to take into consideration, Chef Falls, listen to this. I just want you to take into consideration how the gentlemen work. You're going to grade them and judge them on creativity, on presentation, and flavor, and also how they work as chefs. Don't judge them too harshly, but judge them fairly.
What about this hat?
The man is representing himself, and I want some spice. So gentlemen, you ready? Alright, give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cook! Alright. Are we gonna step off on the center stage? Play some music. Mr. Music, will you please play Romper Room? Anybody remember Romper Room? Lord, trust me, that's my age I just grew right there, so. See, you wouldn't know nothing about Romper Room. No, trust me, you wouldn't know nothing about Romper Room. You know anything about Romper Room? Little bit? Enough? Oh, you mean? Anybody remember Miss Lou? Yes? Saturday morning, you clean the floor. Yes, your mother got a market, a Spanish Town or Coronation Market, and you're there the yard to clean the house. Somebody wash the clothes. You look like that never happened in your lifetime. Where are you from, darling? Maryland. Some people now wash clothes and clean house on Saturday. Yeah? Beef soup, sorry. Beef soup Saturday or steamed fish? Beef soup, yeah. So, you're making a beef soup next week? No. That's like an invite to get some beef soup. That's all. You're visiting? From Clarendon? Then me? Oh, you just a visit. Jefferson, are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am.
What is your name?
My name is Claudia.
Claudia? Yes. So, you're visiting from? Sugarland, Texas. Nice. So, earlier, we had a couple that was visiting here from Germany. We had two friends that were sitting right where you are. One was from Romania. And Bridget that was sitting over there from Trinidad. And my sister sitting over here. She from Barbados. So this year I felt like we was internationally represented at the Greatest Jamaican Jerk Festival 2017. Nice. So, gentlemen, you're mic'd, and periodically, I might just come up and ask you a question, but I'll ask you from here. Right? So, have you devised a plan?
Yeah.
Seeing the ingredients? 30 minutes. And we started, Mr. Keeper. Yes. You started, right? Alright. Yeah, we had 30 minutes on the clock. 3 minutes gone by. Yeah, 3 minutes gone by. So, Mr. Todd, I don't remember the dish you made last year, but you know, it was
the
good.
jambalaya.
The jambalaya.
Yeah.
So, you know, about 15, 20 minutes into the game, we're going to ask you, you know, a name for your dish and where your thoughts are. But we'll ask the thoughts question right now. Any early thoughts as to your compilation?
I'm just picking out the flavors that I enjoy, the flavor profile that I like.
Yeah.
So I like eggplant.
Don't worry, Tom. I'm going to wipe your brow in a second.
I don't want to sweat the food.
There you go. We got enough tissue paper. Yes. Right there you go, my brother. Yeah. So think away. Listen on.
Yo,
You cook a lot?
yes I do.
Really?
I'm good.
You're good. I am good. So I am assuming that at home,
Yo,
yard,
yeah,
you throw down
yeah,
on a Saturday night.
yeah,
The goat soup are boiled,
yeah,
fish are fried,
yeah,
that we know a lick,
yeah,
white rum or drink.
yeah.
Nice. I mean, I'm just saying, you know. So, what was the last thing you cooked? What was the last thing you cooked?
Right now you're gonna wait.
You see what I said? You know what? When we as chefs are competing and the people that are coming up like in our face, we're like, where this man let us go at? You know, because our first instinct is to cook the dish. Make it done in the time prepared. Yes, sir. Yes, go ahead. So, being from Jamaica, you have any tips for the people about jerk? Talk to them. Talk to them.
Unlike what people think, jerk is not a way to cook food. Jerk is a way to preserve food. Let's go back in history.
Jerk is way to preserve. I like that.
Jerk is way to preserve.
I like that.
The maroons first of all tell the truth. The maroons use the process of jerk to preserve meat. And while they're doing it, because
Nice. Yo, you see the handwork, you see the technique. The man does a massage up the food. The man massage up the food. Yeah. Yes. Hey, 10 fingers, 2 hands. These are the 2 best tools that you have in the kitchen. When everything fails, see them here. Spoon. Well, you can't cut with that. You can break it. You know, massage it, you know, marinate it, rub it up, yo. Hey, that's what I said. Why do you hate eggplant, then?
I don't like eggplant.
You don't like it? But eggplant nice.
I'm sure it is.
Yeah? Alright. So, Mr. Todd and Mr. Ghani, as you're cooking, just throughout the cooking process, just take into consideration towards the end how you think you're going to plate this dish. Alright? So don't put too much on the plate, don't put too little on the plate, but let's make it nice. Very nice.
What?
Yes, niceness. Sugarland, Texas. Niceness. Long way. You've come a long way now. And how are you, my miss? Looking like a Rowan. Yes. What's your name, darling? Deshaun. Where you from, Deshaun? Brooklyn's in the house, y'all. Anybody here from Brooklyn? Just 2 people? 2 people in this entire tent. You from there, Miss Mayor? Brooklyn? Anybody else from Brooklyn? Lord of mercy. Ooh, you? You from Brooklyn? I think you're from Bahamas. Niceness. Ooh, Sherry. Is that for me? I'm just asking. Really? You can do that. But before you go, tell everybody who you are, and what you did earlier.
Sherry, I'm with the American One Competition.
One to my mic. One more time, shot.
Hi everybody, you guys having fun? Yeah! Alright, thank you. So I run the American Fine Wine Competition. I drink wine to your sharing earlier. We had about 20 people here who enjoyed the wine. I see a few faces still around. And we're having a good time, right?
And over in the corner somewhere, she's doing her social media. So if you have a TV, everybody here have a TV? Everybody here watch local news? Anybody here watch local news? Oh my God. Anybody here watch Channel 10? Anybody watch this beautiful woman here on Channel 10? Miss Nikki Mohan. Please give it up to her. Please. And of course, you know, we going fetting, girl. We going fetting because she's from Trinidad. And I'm a Jamaican that is so in love with soca music. So when the treasury burned down and the building burned down, we still gonna party and fet. You see I said, no rain, don't stop us. Nothing don't stop us when we get on the road and we fetting. Oh, I tell you, look here. Oh my. Trust me, I'm mad and I'm crazy. Yes, we reach inside the effect. Family reach inside the effect, we say we talk already. I say I text the girl, I want to walk already. I don't drink 10 bottles of rum already. Who says we take a 10 gram already? Yo! You don't know about me, you know. Listen, what, you good? Awesomeness. So the people don't even have to see us, we interview you on this phone, you know. So how is life and how is things at the office? Continent.
Things are well, thank you. Things are well. Busy, but good.
Awesome. So, in the whole scheme of things, what can people in the diaspora look forward to? In terms of, you know, cohesiveness, togetherness, working together. It does seem like the whole world is just kind of different. Everybody's separated. Is there any plans to really bring a one united Caribbean?
Well, first of all, we're here at Drum Festival, which I think in itself brings together over 20 to 30,000 Jamaicans and Caribbeans a year. So I think if we have more events like this Drum Festival, we will realize that cohesiveness in the community that we want to promote. Secondly, in terms of the Jamaican diaspora, of course the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Consulate has a program of engagement that is being rolled out as we speak. There are initiatives being sent out to the diaspora where we want the input on various initiatives in Jamaica. So it's an ongoing process. In terms of Caribbean unity, as you know, we have Caribbean people, and we have areas of cultural cooperation. For example, we coordinate foreign policy, and you know, it really speaks to the fact that small countries, small and developing states, we need to come together and work in common goals. That's the motivation to ensure that our common interest is secure.
Nice. One united Caribbean people. The Honorable France Hall, Concert General for Jamaica. Give my hand one more time. Yes. How you doing, Mr. Todd?
Hanging in there.
Hanging in there? Nice. Timekeeper, could you give him an update, please? 19 minutes left? 19 minutes left on the clock, gentlemen. Lady, boy, your camera is biggie. Or your camera so big. You know, it just broad. It long, it broad, it wide. Look at the camera now, the camera lens up as well. Look at the things that the camera lens that. Just joking. And what is your name?
Arlene Chicks.
Arlene Chicks. And where you from, Dad?
Original Kingston.
Yeah, you don't own that. Things are kind of big. It looks like a part of the map, but things are kind of big. Which part of Kingston? Yeah, up there so. Nice and cool stone here.
My dog is already.
Oh, so they're ready yet, right? The one over there, sir. Yeah. So what do you do for your boy? What position you hold in the tourism industry? So, you're the national sales manager and your boss in the red apron, if I was remiss in saying, he's the deputy director of tourism. Plus, he said him have another job, a day job.
He's also the interim director.
He's also the interim director. So you say any day now, them just going to sign it and put new sign on the door. and then going say director of tourism. Because we just interim. We don't, we don't want no piam business. We want to make sure it's official. But doing a good job. Awesomeness. And I'm glad that he has all the support. So anybody ever traveled to Jamaica that's not Jamaican here? Anybody has ever been to Jamaica that is not Jamaican? What? By airplane, boat, how? Airplane? Does everybody here have a passport? Lord of mercy. Anybody travel? Really? You travel? Yes? You love to travel? Because trust me, you need to jump on a plane and a boat and to see the world. Enough things out there. Italy out there. Germany out there. Romania out there. Australia out there. Yo, the big whole African continent out there. We all of it, if we go back and see which part we come from. Yes, our ancestors are calling us. Come, go to Africa. Be like Chef Max. Hold on, Chef Max, real quick. Tell the people about your work in Kenya.
So we've been in Africa once this year already. We're going back in December 13th to build a kitchen at one of the primary schools in Nairobi, Kenya. So we're there this year. We adopted the primary school. About 3,000 kids and families in the community. So we're going back, and then our lovely cookbooks are on display here as well. Our new cookbook, the most recent one with Rohan Marley, Bob Marley's son, the coffee cookbook. So pick that up at Barnes and Nobles and Amazon, all that good stuff. And so, yeah, part of a little bit of our work that we do in the community. I flew in this morning to come down for this and left Detroit, come down. It was 20 degrees when I left Detroit, so I'm glad to be here to see this Celebrity Quick Fire Challenge. You all right over here?
Doing good, brother. Doing good.
What you doing eggplant? What's that going?
I'm just doing like a eggplant sauteed with some olive oil and some jerk barbecue.
Nice. That looks good.